Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and welcome to my best top 5 produce digital multimeter video review. Number 1. 13-in-1 DC 4.5-50V0-12A multifunction. The 13-in-1 DC 4.5-50V0-12A multifunction power meter is a versatile diagnostic tool designed for hobbyists, technicians, and DIY electronics users. It accurately measures voltage, current, power, capacity, energy, charging time, and more, all in one compact display. Ideal for solar panels, battery systems, DIY power projects, and RC applications. Its clear digital interface and wide measurement range make it easy to monitor system performance and prevent overloads. A must-have for reliable power analysis and system optimization. Number 2. Masfuti Professional Digital Multimeter. The Masfuti Professional Digital Multimeter is engineered for precision and durability, offering true RMS measurements for accurate readings in any electrical environment. It features functions for AC/DC voltage, current, resistance, continuity, frequency, diode testing, and more. With a rugged casing, backlit display, and intelligent overload protection, this multimeter is perfect for professionals, electricians, and advanced DIY users who demand top-level performance and safety. Number 3. Unity Clamp Meter Digital. The Unity Clamp Meter Digital provides fast and safe current measurement without needing to break the circuit. Offering AC/DC current measurement, voltage testing, resistance, continuity, and frequency modes, this clamp meter is ideal for industrial, commercial, and home electrical diagnostics. Its ergonomic clamp jaw, bright backlit display, and high-precision sensors ensure smooth operation even in tight spaces. Reliable, portable, and user-friendly, perfect for troubleshooting and maintenance. Number 4. Smart Wireless Weather Station. The Smart Wireless Weather Station delivers real-time environmental data straight to your display, featuring wireless sensors for indoor and outdoor temperature, humidity. Number 5. Wireless Digital Thermometer. The wireless digital thermometer provides instant, accurate temperature readings from any location using its remote wireless sensor. Perfect for home monitoring,